package is secure.
Cleaner, proceed to the beach for marlin extract.
You hear that?
Mortars! Control, we got mortars incoming!
Can I suggest you run, Major?
To the beach! Go, go, go! Run, get out of here! Don't stop! Boats just ahead! Keep moving!
God, I can't.
When valiant COG forces captured the UIR's plans for the Hammer of Dawn, we ensured our survival in the worst conflict our world had yet known. But only 2 years later, a new horror, a new enemy, a new war.
Control, be advised. Divert the Colonel's convoy.
Sorry, Corporal. We're almost there.
Negative, Control. The House of Sovereigns is a red zone.
Corporal Kim, this whole city's a red zone.
Understood, Control. Come on, Gears. Colonel Hoffman's convoy is gonna need protection.
Corporal, we're coming in hot.
Almost there, Control!
Oh!
That's the convoy!
Look out! Look out!
More of those goddamn things! What the hell is even happening? Who's that? Come on, we got this! Throwing frag!
Move up! Assist the Colonel!
What the hell is that? Open fire! I can't hurt it! Guns don't work for shit on that thing!
We need something bigger!
Corporal, there's a Hammer of Dawn in that van!
On it! Soldier, secure that hammer! We've got the hammer!
The satellites are up!
Son of a bitch!
It's retreating! Nice work, soldier!
More of those goddamn monsters! Wait, no!
Ooh, that's gotta hurt!
Man, they're tough! Back! They roasted again!
What the hell are those things?
What's your name, Corporal?
Kim, sir.
Lieutenant Stroud and I need an escort. Congratulations, you're it.
Colonel, we need to get inside. Now.
I've got the code for the door, Colonel.
Well, good for you, son.
Hold these stairs with that hammer. I'll be back when I can.
Oh, man, this is bad.
All right, you heard the Corporal. Don't let him inside.
They're coming right at us. Use the hammer. Oh, look out! Push them back! Push them back! We need some goddamn reinforcement!
Not gonna happen! Keep fighting! Ted!
This is insane!
Do not let them near the door!
Let's go! Who's up there? Let's go! Who's up next? What is that thing? Who the hell cares? Try it! Holy, you got it! Another one! Ha! In your face! Incoming!
Gears, I'm sorry, but the Hammer of Dawn just went offline.
By nightfall, hundreds of thousands were dead. Emergence Day had earned its name. Like many of you, I was only a child then. It was a dark, terrible time, and our victory was in no way assured.
I know you're medics, but we need everyone on that wall, now! Get that soldier back on his feet. Come on your feet! All right, Gears, get up that ladder.
Oi!
What happened?
Come on up!
Where the hell am I?
Chainsaw your way out and get on that wall!
Holy shit.
We gotta clear this wall!
Clear them out!
Who's next?
Now clear out the courtyard! Don't let any more up!
Pick your shots! Make them count!
Ah, they're everywhere!
Come on! Don't let them up! Got it!
God damn it, they keep coming! Incoming!
Left side's open! Get over there and clear it out! Grappling hook! Come on, Gears! Knock him down!
Bernie, I can use some help over here!
Get to the other side and help Victor! Get up that wall! Get bastard!
All right, someone mount that turret and throw some hell down there! Too high! Use the turret, numbnuts! I'll cover you!